All right, so now we're gonna talk about rightward shift or increase in the PPC. All right, so we're gonna deal with the factors that can cause a shift to the right, or so I'm gonna draw on our production possibility curve. So this is capital goods and consumer goods. Alright, so it's X on our Y-axis. Alright, I have our production possibility curve there. So this is PPC1. Alright, we're trying to actually make this 2. And then we'll do our 1 inside here. So PPC1. Alright, and it's a shift to the right. So that's an increase in the PPC, and this can be caused by an increase in all resources, resulting in an increase in the production of all goods. So if we increase our resources, you'll find that the production possibility curve would shift to the right, and as such, we would have an increase in production of these two goods, capital goods and consumer goods. Another factor that can cause a shift of the production possibility curve to the right is an improvement in technology, which enables the production of all goods and services to be increased. So if we improve our technology, then you'll find that we'll be able to produce at a faster rate, or would be able to reach resources that were unattainable in the first instance. All right, and that will cause an increase in the production of consumer and capital goods in this case, and we'll have a rightward shift. Another thing is investment into capital, right? So investment in the capital, which would enable output of all goods and services in the future to increase. So if you improve in capital, what are capital? Not necessarily money alone, but like capital goods. So like machinery, etc. So if we improve in our machinery, right? Or invest in more machines, then we'll find that we'll produce at a faster rate, and even more so at obtaining resources that we were unable to obtain in the first place. All right, so those are factors that can cause a shift in the shift to the right, or increase in the PPC. All right, we're going to look at what can cause the PPC to also pivot, right? And erase this. We're going to use our goods, same goods, capital good and consumer goods. All right, so this is our PPC, right? All right, say for instance we had an increase in technology to improve or to make consumer goods, right? That would see a pivot of the PPC. So a pivot to the right, technology improve, right? So see a pivot to the right. The reason why it's a pivot to the right, because remember, keyword is that, or the key phrase is that the technology improve, or there's an improving technology in producing consumer goods, not consumer and capital goods, only consumer goods. So you'll see an increase. So this was 30 and this was 30. This then becomes, say, 50. Right, so you see an increase in the production of consumer goods while the capital good remain constant, right? Because the technology that is used to improve only consumer goods in this case, and not consumer and capital good. All right, so that can cause a pivot to the right. All right.